If you checked your unit's waterline bacteria count with a waterline test and it didn't pass, don't worry. You can easily clear out the lines with the proper shocking protocol. This protocol shouldn't feel complicated or cumbersome, but it should be an easy way to get your waterlines back to the proper levels for your patients. Plus, you can order your very own samples of the ICX Renew from ADEC with this website. Easily answer a few questions, and in a few days, you're going to receive everything that you need to follow through with the shocking process. First, stop using your unit until you've cleared out all of the bacteria living in your lines. Second, remove any handpieces you have connected to your unit. 3, empty out your water bottle and then add the solution. Make sure you wear gloves and eye protection. 4, carefully cover the opening of the bottle and swirl the bottle so the inside is covered entirely with solution. 5, activate your lines with the rheostat until you see blue come out of each tube. Once all the tubes are full of the blue shock solution, let them sit for 12 to 96 hours. Let everyone in your office know that op isn't to be used while the water lines are being shocked. It is nice to have a sign to help communicate that in the op that it can be used during the process. 7, after time's up, empty the bottle, rinse, and refill with water. Then you're going to activate your unit to remove all the blue solution from the tubes. Run them with water until your unit's bottle is all the way empty. Then that's it. It is safe to let the solution stay in your lines overnight or over the weekend, which will hopefully make the testing and shocking streamline without having to come in on a day off or cancel patients. Let us know if you've ever shocked your lines before.